everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see, we have another project, and today I'm going to show you how to make this bra cup. And without further ado, let's start. And today, guys, I will be using my 2.5 millimeter hook and a white acrylic yarn, which is 8-ply acrylic. And to start with our project, we are going to make our slip knot. And from here, I am going to chain 18. So with this one, guys, you can customize. So with mine, I measure mine and I need 18 chain. If you're smaller, you have to decrease, or if you're bigger, you have to increase. So it's up to you guys. Okay, so block that off, and from here I'm going to add 3 chains, count as double crochet, and we are going to double crochet from the 4th chain, or where the chain that we block off, and we are going to put 1 double crochet in each chain until we get to the end. So as I mentioned before, guys, this is you can customize this. So this is very easy. We're just going to put 1 double crochet in each chain. So as you can see, so we're just going to continue that, guys, and I will be doing that off the camera and I'll come back. So now this is my last chain. In the last chain, I am going to put 2 double crochet. So that's our second double crochet, chain 1, and I'm going to put another 2 double crochet. So that's 1, and that's another 1. And from here, we're just going to mirror what we did in the other side. We're going to put 1 double crochet in each chain until we got to the end. So if you're a beginners, guys, you might want to check out the beginners. If you don't know how to do the double crochet, check that double crochet tutorial and you practice, and then come back to my video. Okay, so we're just putting 1 double crochet, and now we are at our in the end, the last chain of the row. We're just going to put double crochet there, and from here I'm going to chain 3. So that's count as double crochet, and I am going to put double crochet in the next chain, and in each chain going to the top. So just 1 double crochet in each chain to the top. Okay, so continue doing that, guys, and when you get to the top is we're going to put 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and continue doing that, guys, and I will meet you up to the end. Okay, so we finished our row. So from here, guys, I am going to chain 3, turn our work, and I'm going to double crochet, 1 double crochet in each chain, and we are just going to repeat what we're doing in the last 2 rows, and you continue that, guys, and I will come back and meet you up. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you here. Okay, so this is our last chain here. I'm going to put 1 double crochet, and now we're into our middle. Okay, as I mentioned before, we are going to put 2 double crochet in the same space, chain 1, and 2 double crochet in the same space. So in the top we have 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and then after that we're just going to put 1 double crochet in each chain until we reach to the end. So continue doing that, guys, and I will meet you up to the end. Okay guys, so we finished our row, and from here I am going to chain 4, 1 2 3 4, turn our work, and I will skip 1 chain, and I will do a double crochet in the next chain, chain 1, skip 1, and double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. So we are just going to repeat this for this row. We will be doing double crochet, chain 1, skip 1. Like as you can see, guys, we're just making that. Okay, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and continue doing that until you get to the top. And when you get to the top, guys, as you can see here, we're going to chain 1, and then in the last chain, and we're going to put double crochet and then chain 1, and we are in the middle. We're going to put double crochet, chain 3, and then double crochet, and then chain 1 and double crochet into the next chain. We don't have a skip 1 there, so double crochet and then chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, and you repeat that until you get to the end. Okay, so continue doing, guys, until you get to the end, and I will meet you up there. So when we finish our row, we're going to, from here we're going to chain 1, and then in the first chain we're going to single crochet in each chain, Okay, this row will be just a single crochet into the chain one space, and on top of double crochet, chain one space, on top of double crochet is just one single crochet. Continue doing that, guys, until you get to the top. And here on the top, I'm just going to put 3 single crochet. So we have 3 chain 3 there in the space, so I just put 3 single crochet and then continue doing our single crochet until we got to the end. So continue doing that, guys, and I will meet you there. Okay, so we are finished. From here I'm going to chain 4 and then turn our work. What we're going to do here is on top of our double crochet and our single crochet, on top of that we're going to do our double crochet. So what it means is double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Okay, so continue doing it, guys, until you get to the top, and I will meet you up there. Okay, so we got to our top, and here I'm going to chain 1, and I will be putting a double crochet, chain 3, and in the same space I'm going to put double crochet. So that is our middle top. So we put 3 double crochet, so that is the second one. I just put there, and we are going to continue, okay, with our pattern, okay, until we reach the end. So continue doing that, guys, and I will meet you up. Okay, and now we have to chain 1 and single crochet in the chain space, single crochet on top of double crochet, and we are just going to continue this single crochet row, and we're just going to repeat that and continue doing that, guys, until you get to the end of the row. So this is just a single crochet row until you get to the end, and I will meet you up there. Okay, guys, so we got to the end of the row, and in this row we're going to chain 4, and in this row we're going to double crochet, but skip 1, and on top of double crochet we're going to put double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. So we are just going to do the same as the previous row. Just repeat the rows with the chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, and I will meet you up there. So when we finish, guys, so we're here and we finish our row. So this row will be, the next row will be our final row. So chain 1 and turn your work, and in the first chain we're going to single crochet in the chain one space, and single crochet on top of the double crochet, and we are going to put our design. So chain 3, and we are going to do a picot and then single crochet on the first single crochet that we did. Okay, and then end up chain one space, single crochet on top of the double crochet, single crochet, and in the chain one space, single crochet, and on top of the double crochet, single crochet, and we're going to put our design again. So chain 3 and into our single crochet, just get that 2 strand, and we're going to do our picot, and it's just single crochet. So single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, and on top of the double crochet we putting a single crochet, a chain 3, so chain 3, and we're going to put our another picot, and single crochet, and single crochet in the next space, and continue doing that, guys, as you can see. So we have our picot, and then we have our double crochet, and then in the next we have our picot as well. So you just have to continue that, guys. We skip one double crochet, and then the next double crochet we're going to put the picot. So continue doing that, guys, and I will meet you up in the end of the row. Okay, guys, so we finished our project. As you can see, it is very cute, and it is very easy as well. So hopefully you like this video, guys, and I have the other one as well. So this is our project, and thank you very much, guys, for watching. And if you like this video, guys, please hit that like button, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.